What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
Why are we still here? Just to suffer? Every night, I can feel my leg.
You got it set to M for Minnie, when it should be set to W for Wumbo.
Okay.
Heroes never die.
Oh, hell no!
How could this happen to me? I made my...
A few moments later.
Ain't nobody got time for that!
Okay, Mr. Essay, I say, prepare to be written! I'm doing it! I'm doing it! Yeah! Yeah! In some of these, in some of these. Almost there, and... Done. Now let's see how it looks so far. The... break time!
And his name is John C.
Bye, have a great time. These nuts. Got him! Got him!
Nope, nope. Let me in. Let me in.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Go, 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 go! Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast, too fast, too fast, too fast, too fast!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What? What the fuck? Stop! 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 Stop the brake! Stop! Stop! Stop!
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Not when I shift into maximum.
Hello there.
Oh, no, 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 no.
One eternity later. 1 hour later.
Look at Randy Orton slithering.
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! KO! Here's the cover!
Run.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
2,000 years later.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, hi. Thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
That was easy.
Boo! You suck!
Try! I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
I'm about to end this man's whole career.
Why you bullying me? You fucking bitch, why you bullying me? Why you bullying me, you fucking noob?
Hey, pal. You just blowing from Stupid Town?
You're a winner!